Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy, and I've got Royal River with me. Michelle, Royal River Art, came to visit, and if you watch her channel, we did a live together where all kinds of craziness went down to do with eggs. And we both did our blooms for a bloom and Larimar. So if you want to see the craziness, go over to Royal River Art and check out the live where you will see us create these blooms, but now they're cured and we are doing the Larimar part. Right now we're mixing up greens and blues. She wanted to do a blue Larimar and I promised Adrian from Art's Really Cool to do a green one for him. Pretty good. Yeah. You had 5? That's 5? Yeah. Mm-hmm. I'm going to put one more in mine. Mine's looking really light.
Yeah.
I can hear Adrian telling me, more, make it darker.
Don't let him boss you around.
Wasn't that Cory who said that?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Don't let him bully you.
Right. Okay. The resin we're using for this is the Transparente resin by Resin Pro. And we're both using acrylic inks. The ones that Michelle are using in the blues are by Holbein, and the greens that I am using are by Rowney. But they are all acrylic inks. It was so fun to have Michelle visit. And, you know, we got to do resin together. Should be about 86 grams is what's left in here. I'm going to use Julie's Bloom paste again.
Nice. I like that stuff a lot.
Me too. Me too. After mixing up the white, I got Michelle to eyeball half for hers and half for mine, and we had a little bit of teamwork going on, and then we were ready to start with our colors. Dark than light. All right, dark than light.
And in the center.
I think I'm gonna overflow my mold.
Uh-oh.
Yep, I am. All right, so mine's gonna be an amended one.
Okay.
I think that was an oopsie. I think that was a drip. Get that out.
I think that's good.
Oh, keep going. You got spaces.
Okay.
Yeah, yours will fit. Yeah, I'm not doing any more than that. Nice.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
See what it did.
This one is an example of what not to do.
Don't overfill.
Don't overfill. Do one at a time. Yeah. It's because I didn't know how much this would take, and I assumed it would be the same. So, ooh, it's still soft.
It's soft, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it tried.
But your bloom in the middle is pretty. That looks really pretty.
Yeah, that's just.
It's a do-over.
It's yeah. That's definitely a hasta la vista, baby.
Now I gotta go home and try it by myself.
Yeah.
Thank
Cool.
you, Kim.
Oh,
this
thanks,
is so
Michelle.
much fun. Bye, everybody.
Bye. Here we go again. So I'm starting with the bloom, and once that's cured, I will follow along with the Larimar and redoing this piece so that Adrian has a good one to watch. And I make it extra green just for him. We're back. The first layer is cured, and we are switching over resin to the Transparente. I'm still using the same acrylic inks as I did before. However, on this turn, I did add in 1 drop of black into my dark green. And you'll see it darkens the whole piece very, very nicely. All cured. It is reveal time. I sure hope this one is night and day to the other one, which was beyond failure. Okay, Adrian, this one's for you. Score! Green goodness. Green goddess? Green greatness. That's what it is. Okay, let's come down because I want you to see how cool those colors are in there. It just gives it a very, very 3D look. Like stuff is happening. And my bloom is wunderbar. I really like it. I hope you like it too, Adrian. If you don't know who I'm talking about, Adrian is with Art's Really Cool. Adrian and Cory. And I will link their channel in the description box below, and I'll have it up on screen so you'll know that you have the right channel. All right, let me know what you think of green goodness. Green goddess? Green greatness? What name would you give this? All right, thanks for being here as always. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell and click it to all. The next time I upload a video, you will get notified. Bye for now.